Hiya, welcome to May's Glossybox. It's a beautiful leopard design. There was two, I think it was a zebra one or the leopard one. You didn't get a choice, but I'm happy, very happy with this. Beautiful. Oh, there you are. There's the zebra one. So, let's have a look what goodies we've got this month. Let's open that up. Beautiful gold. Ooh, look at this. Does that mean there was two? This is the eyeshadow. I know that much because it was a bit of a spoiler. I wonder if there was two different colour. Got Steveler on. Let's open this up. In the garden today. It's been a beautiful day. Ooh, they look like they're nice colours. Let's have a close look. So 1, 2, 3, 4 that are not shiny, so that's really good. So yeah, I could definitely reckon I can get a look out of that. Excellent, I like that. Very nice. Let's see what it says in the pamphlet. Eyeshadow palette. Recommended retail £31. So that pays for your box and some straight off the bat. So that's really good. I like that one. Then we have a Sweet Mint EOS Organic Lip Seal. I think we had a lip thing similar last month. It's a Sphere Lip Balm. Recommended retail £6.50. And you could have received either sweet mint, pomegranate and raspberry, or strawberry sorbet flavour. Let's hope it is a flavour, because I hate it when it's not a flavour. I do like a flavour. Alright, so then we have a Kiss Proof Lip Cream by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Quite a nice colour. It looks matte, so that should be good. As you know, I do like a matte product. And recommended retail is £15. And it's a lip cream in a nude colour with a matte finish. I'll definitely be trying that little colour out. And then we have Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying and Pore Tightening Mask. That's not on here. It's supposed to be a leopard mask. Oh, that's disappointing. Recommended retail £4. Receive 1 of 3. It's supposed to be... This is the wrong thing. Oh. Yeah. You can't look like a pussycat. Because those ones, you got like animal print. No. Okay. So even a different make. Disappointed there. Nothing else in... No, nothing else in there. I'll email them about that. Mud Masky Hair Mask, Sculpt Treatment and Miracle Shampoo 3-in-1 formula. Repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturises scalp, dandruff control. I wish you always have the conditioner with these things. Unless you're not supposed to. I don't know. So, recommended retail £21? Really? Doesn't say anything about having to use conditioner. I would have thought so. Full size again. So, out of that little lot, so I think we're all full size items, which is brilliant. Yep, definitely have a go with the shadows and the lip balm. Mask I'm really annoyed about because it's not the right one. And the shampoo. Yeah, it's a really good box. Really pleased with that, apart from the face mask. So there we are. Not a bad box at all. Please like, subscribe, June sneak peek, and stay safe. And cheers!